welcome back to my channel. If you are new here and you never yet see that face here nor heard this voice, my name is Miss Renee Richards. I would love for you to stick around and be a part of my growing family, so I'm gonna ask if you can subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and with your family, and thumbs up and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video. And to my loyal, my good supporters, I just want to tell you guys thank you so much for being with me so far on this journey. And I want you guys to know you can expect a lot more from me. Life does get real and it has been impacting my consistency, but I want to show a little bit more of me, Miss Renee. So I just want to tell you guys thank you so much for staying with me so far. So guys, today's video is 4 things that I wish I did differently on my single parenting journey. 4 mistakes that 4 mistakes that I've made on this journey. For those of you who don't know, I am a single mother to a beautiful, caring, God-fearing, witty, intelligent 7-year-old boy. Ugh, can't believe next 3 years I have a 10-year-old. It just does not seem real, but yeah, I'm a single mom, and I have been a single mom from Mary in a belly. Me's one of them single mother. Me's a single mother from when me tell the sperm donor so I'm pregnant, and him never did 2 once me for go through cause him did done having people them and film situation and blah 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 rated, but that's a story for another day, which I will give to you all. But me's been a single mother from the get-go, and it has been challenging, bro. That journey, this journey is only for the mercy of God why I am still standing and I'm still going through it, and I can still juggle all that I juggle without feel like I'm going mad or even go mad, because it's hard. And being a single mother, it is difficult. Me find it difficult with 1 pitney, much less the mothers who have 2 and 3 and 4 and have to do it by themselves. It's hard. So this is 4 mistakes that I've made that hopefully you guys can learn from it or realize that you're not the only person who have made these mistakes. The first mistake that I made was not giving myself and my son my full 100 throughout this journey. Now, when I had Mari, maybe about a year, 9 months to a year, I met somebody and I entered into a 4-year relationship with. I wished that I did not enter into that relationship. I wish I did not enter into a relationship so soon after I had my child, and I wish I'd given myself that time to fully heal, to fully process what had happened 9 months prior, and literally just find myself and do me, invest my time, my energy, my finances, my resources, just into solely myself and into my son. I also wish that I'd waited, because I would have wanted to see who really God had for me, because that relationship, it was a relationship where me choose. It wasn't a relationship where God chose for me. And because of that, I went through a lot of things that I did not need to, go through and endure and suffer and feel and the whole 9 yards. I really wished that I just given myself that time to just, love on me, well, I already did love on Mary, but love on me, and truly wait for God to show me, who He had preserved and lined up for me. So that with that relationship, it's kind of set me back in life. It set me back so much, because I remember when I just got into the relationship, I was on track. I was trying to start out my driving and get a car and go back into education to get into the dental profession. And because of how toxic that relationship was and how emotionally vulnerable I was, I lost focus completely, because where my energy and my time should have been, it was in this toxic bullshit. And it's really cost me. It cost me a lot. It cost me not just financially, but emotionally, mentally, time with myself, time out from my son. And it set me back a good couple of years. Things that I'm now achieving, I could have achieved it during that 3.5-4 year span, but because I was so caught up in crap. And it wasn't like it was a person who was trying to push me. They were more taken from me than they were, trying to add to me and to push me. And it set me all the way back. So if you are at a point where you're just in your, your single parenting, your lone parenting journey, do not be quick to jump into a relationship. Take some time to do you, to love on you, love on your kid, love on God, let God love on you, let God heal you, restore you, and enjoy your own company. Use this time for, find out things about yourself and do you. That I made was, I don't feel like I had congratulated myself a lot on this journey. No, me not blow my own horn, but me feel like me do a damn good job as a lone parents. Nobody don't have to tell me. Me know. I see my son and me can say, yes, Renee, yes, girl. Yes, me girl, yeah, do something. Me see my son and I see how I'm, despite the challenges, me still a push on, and me can say, yes, me girl. I'm proud of you. Don't get it wrong. There are still areas that I have to work on, and there's still things that I see my son doing. What me do is that, that not too. But overall, I do believe now that I am doing a damn good job, by the mercy of God, of being a mom. Now, I didn't used to always think like this. I didn't always used to see it like this. I didn't used to think that I was doing a good job. A lot of times I thought that I was the worst mother. And I used to compare, me as a single parent to other single mothers or single parents that I know, and I would be like, I don't think I'm doing this right. My son might not be always in designer, like, some kids, and I, other little things, but I would be constantly comparing myself to other single mothers, and because of that, I didn't think that I was doing a good job. Until it was one day, I carried Mario to school, and I remember I wrote this in my book. Took Mario to school one day. I went to pick up Mario from school one day, and the teacher pulled me up to one side, and she was like, Renee, Amari is doing great academically. He is such a great reader. And where other children are struggling, in this era, Mari is on top form. And when she said it, it was at a time where I was feeling down about my capabilities of, being a single mom, back in school, going at this thing full time. I'm at placement full time, and I still have to be there for my son full time as well. And I didn't think that I was doing the greatest job. So when she pulled me aside and said that to me, I'm telling you, I felt good. And it's those little things that, I use, and I realize that, yes, I am alone on this journey. I am doing a damn good job. So, single mother, it's very important that you recognize area that you are excelling in. And don't feel no type of way to pat yourself on the back and say, girl, well done you. Well done, you, Kaya. Do this damn thing that's supposed to take 2 parents, and you do the job of 2 parents, and you do a damn good job of it. We're not perfect. We make mistakes. I'm still making mistakes. I make a lot of mistakes, but when I do realize my mistakes, I do, pull myself up and keep it moving. But definitely congratulate yourself. And if you're struggling to see, where you are going, great, the areas that you are excelling in on this journey, ask your friends, ask your family members, ask God to open up your eyes and show you where you are going, great. You can take kind of stress off of yourself. Third thing that I wish I did sooner on my journey as a single mother, I wish I had embraced the journey. Not just knowing that I'm a single mom, but fully embrace it, accept it and embrace it. And, because I've now been able to embrace my journey and accept that this is a part of who I am as a human being at this moment in time, I'm not so uptight. Openly talk about my journey as a single mother. And you know what I've realized since embracing this journey is that my son can get so much more out of me. My son is getting so much more out of me than he did before. On this journey, I want you guys to really embrace this journey. Yes, it is hard. Yes, it is lonely. It can be extremely challenging and difficult, but embrace it. Embrace it. Accept it for what it is. And I guarantee that you'll start to see the positives out of, your situation, and you'll start to see what God wants to bring out of you on this journey. The fourth and final thing that I wish I had done sooner, the biggest mistake that I made on this journey was forcing my baby father to be a father. I forced for a long time.
I forced my baby father to be a father.
The father where him just never did want to be, and him still is not. Listen. Listen. It can be really difficult to accept that the person who you laid down with, where you wrap up with and do with, create a child together with, then turns around and says that basically you're on your own to do this thing. Turns around and say that he's not trying to be a dad. My baby father exact words to me was that
him can't go be that father when me want him to be.
And at that point, me don't have to make a decision. Is either I go carry my pitney or I don't carry my pitney. I just say to myself, say, Renee, you're not going to be the first and you're not going to be the last. So you just have to just do the door. I'm going to carry my pitney. Listen, but you see, even after that, even after him telling me that him can't be the type of father what I need him to be, I still did not accept his words, and I still forced him. Ring down him phone. Get in contact with him, family, friends, nothing not change. Even after when he met my son after, 6-7 months, something like that, I may say, okay then, things are gonna change. Nothing. I'm sorry, if me make him still, I get, the kitty, me still give up the kitty to him, maybe that will, make him be a father. But still I wait. 7 years later, still I wait. I argue with him, not change. I talk soft to him, not change. I bawl, not change. I cry, nothing don't change. I holler, I beg, I plead, nothing when me do. It still did not change the fact that man just did not want to be a father. And I had to accept it. And it took me a long time. It took me years. It took me to when Mari was 4 going to 5 for me to accept that. Nothing when me do. No position when me give a man ya. Nothing at all when me do. No matter how me cuss, me scream, me bawl, me talk nice, me talk soft. Nothing when me do is not going to make this man be the father that he just did not want to be. And bro, may I tell you, it was a hard pill to swallow. But you see, once I did swallow it, I'm just let it go. There's no looking back. I had to come to that realization that me cannot force somebody to do something that they do not want to do. And the fact of the matter is that that man just did not want to do that. That has been so difficult to do. But I wish that I had the courage to just let go and let God a lot sooner, because it would have saved me emotionally. It would have saved me in the long run emotionally. Women, let me tell you something. There's nothing that you can do. If you're in a position where your baby father decides that him don't want to play a part, there's nothing at all that you can do to force him to play a part in your child's life. And you just have to respect his wishes and let God carry you through. Beautiful mommies watching this video, please don't beat yourself up. You're doing an amazing job raising your beautiful babies. Whatever it is that you feel that you can't do on this journey, you have a father above who is willing to do for you what you cannot do for yourself. Pray and ask him to help you in areas that you are struggling with on this journey, whether it's loneliness, whether it's just overall coping as a single mom on this journey. Whatever it is, he will see you, not just see you through, but give you all the things that you need to get through this journey. Also, if you have not yet got a copy of my book, To the Single Mom, God Cares About You Too, I have put all the links below in the description. You can get the book on Amazon, and you can also order the order the book directly on my website, and it's www.renee-richards.co.uk. I know you get it signed personally from yours truly. All these things. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you know somebody who would be inspired and motivated by this video, please go ahead and share this video with them. Remember to turn on the notification bell, subscribe, and drop a thumbs up and all these things, and connect with me over on Instagram, and my page is just_Miss_Richards. I will look forward to seeing you in my next video, guys. Have a blessed and wonderful week, and I'll see you soon. Love you guys. Bye.